A color touch screen is provided for easy setup and operation. The material is loaded onto a cantilever designed unwind. Idler rollers guide the material and help prevent potential damage. A no product sensor is included, which triggers the unit to automatically shut down when no product is sensed entering the rollers. Material enters an industrial-grade, temperature-controlled heat sealing station. The material is heat-sealed and cooled, and then fed into the cut-to-length station. A jam sensor triggers the unit to automatically shut down when no product is sensed exiting the knife assembly. The unit requires 110-volt AC and 40 to 60 psi of regulated air pressure. Please give us a call to discuss your application.